Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Home Depot. So this is in Villa Rica, Georgia. It has been sunny for most of the days for almost a month here. So kind of like starting to feel like summer, but still have a cool temperature at nighttime. Summer officially starts by June 21st. But lately we had temperature as high as 85 Fahrenheit. Right now, most of what you can see in the garden centers are flowers that are forced to bloom, or they kind of figure out how to make it bloom earlier. So like these oriental lilies, they usually bloom late spring to summer. So they have put this in a warmer place like greenhouses, so that when you try to plant, that's what you are going to see in your garden. So by the time you plant this in the ground, the following year when it comes back, it will bloom during the time that it is supposed to. Like let's say the label usually tells you that oriental lilies blooms late spring to summer. So that's the time it's going to bloom. However, this will also be depending on the temperature in your area, according also to your planting zone. When buying plants, it is important that we have to plan ahead. We have to have a plan around our house where to plant those shrubs, flowers, vegetables, etc. Having your soil tested will help you with these plants too. Your county ag center could help you with the soil testing. Spacing and the type of plants should also be considered. Example, there are some fruit-bearing plants that are vines. There are also shrub, and there are also that grows taller. Some of these annual flowers will give you seeds, so you can replant them the following year. So that's a lesser cost on your end if you like that certain plant. Impatiens and vincas gives seeds. However, between vinca and impatiens like to be on the shade area, while vinca could do well in a sunny or part sun. But impatiens like the moist soil, while vinca could do well with some drought or a little moist area. This is why I like the Proven Winners brand of the plants, because of the required informations are already there, especially when you are new in planting or gardening. Soil, watering, spacing, nutrients needed, or how often you fertilize them. And they had improved their plants to be resistant in most disease. There are also plants that is already pretty even with foliage and don't need flowers. Some of these are Heuchera, Coleus, Caladium, Hosta, etc. Most of these annual flowers will give you whole season or up to the frost blooms or flowers. Annual flowers could be brought to your greenhouse or to your garage. Some of these will only require some more insulation around it, so it will survive the following year. This was Saturday when I went there, so I kind of have to find some ways where I have to take video where there are few people and some are even falling in line, and the line was pretty long. There are some new plants that are introduced by proven winners, and some will be featured towards the end of this video, but you have to start grabbing this because they usually run out of stock in just a few days and you have to wait for another restock. I've also noticed that there are some that are still in the cart, and I think it just arrived like a day before, so it was still almost to the back where the dirt are located. Thank you all for watching. I hope this give you some insights or ideas of what to plant or what you have to improve in your planting style. Your view, like, and comment on this video is greatly appreciated. Bye everyone, till next time.